Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure to hard reset Kindle. To perform a hard reset on your Kindle, you'll need to navigate to device option and select factory reset. First thing, you want to swipe down from the top of the screen in order to reveal the settings, or you want a quick action panel. Then tap the all settings icon. On the settings page, tap device options. Then what next you want to do is select factory reset from the list. You'll be asked to confirm that you want to factory reset. Tap on yes to proceed. Then the device will erase all data and return to the initial setup screen, allowing 3 to 5 minutes for the setup or reset process to complete. Once you've done it so, you'll have successfully done it so, and that way you'll be able to hard reset your Kindle. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.